How to make private Facebook account. So first of all, just go ahead right here and click on your menu at the below right corner, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the settings gear at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just click you're gonna find it like the privacy checkup. So just go ahead and click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, or what you're gonna see all of your privacy settings and all that. Just go ahead into reviewing your own, like you're gonna see like more privacy checkup, and just go ahead into clicking who can see what you share, right? So just go ahead and click on it and just continue, right? And just move along, and then hit just make it private, like all of the settings, make it private for you, right? And then hit the next step and just make it private as well, and just go ahead to the next step into blocking. If you want to block someone, just go ahead and move along to do it, and just hit next, and basically you're all set. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.